All right, we're on page 17. This is in center, the in center. So to answer all these, I'm going to start by just filling out things that I can figure out just by looking at this picture. Let's start with these angles here. This angle right here is 39 degrees, and since an in center is angle bisectors, that means this is also 39 degrees. If this is 28, that means this one next to it here is also 28. Okay. Now, I'm just going to, right now, as soon as I see that I've got two angles of this bigger triangle, to see the bigger triangle, I'm just going to highlight it real quick once. This big triangle right here has 39 and 39, which would be, let's see, 78. 28 and 28 makes 56. And we got to find this missing one, okay? So that's what I'm going to do real quick to find these angles up here. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to say, let's see here, 39 and 39 is 78. 28 and 28 is 56. 78 plus 56, grab my calculator, make sure I don't mess that up. 78 plus 56 is 134. And that's what I'm going to subtract from 180 to find this big angle right here at the top. 180 minus 134 is 46. So this big angle is 46, which means each of these would be 23. And I just want to do that. I'm probably going to need that. I just want to do that before I move on to the sides, just because I think it'll make it easier for me. But let's go ahead now and take a look at anything else I can figure out just by looking at it. With an in center, if this is 30, it's not this one next to it, but it'd be this one over here would also be 30. If this is 24 right here, the one that's also 24 is not this one next to it, but this one right here. And then let's see here. It's the same distance from each side. So if this is 13, that means this is also 13, which means this one right here is also 13. All right, so now let's fill in what we can figure out easily. MJP. Where's M? MJP. That's this one right here, 39 degrees. JKL. Where's J? JKL. Okay, that's a big angle. That'd be 46. NKP. NKP. That's this side right here is 23. KLJ. KLJ. That's this whole big angle right here. That'd be 56. NP. Right there. That line. See, this is a line now. 13. KM. K is there. M is there. That's right there. 30. All right, now, chances are we're going to have to do a little bit more work for these because we have a bigger box for work, right? That's my clue. So probably going to need to look at a right triangle. So let's find KP first. Where is KP? K is there. P is here. So that's KP right here. So I'm going to look at either one of these triangles. I'm going to look at this one right here that has KP as part of it. Okay, so I'm looking at this yellow triangle to find KP. Okay, so I've got, in this yellow triangle, I've got my right angle, which means my hypotenuse is KP, which I'm going to make X. Then my two legs are the 13 and the 30. Okay, 13 squared plus 30 squared. If I go ahead and square both those, add them together, it comes out to 1,069. Take the square root of both sides, and this you will have to round to the nearest tenth. It comes out to be 32.7. All right, now let's find PL, and let's do another right triangle here. Where's PL? PL's right here, so I'm probably going to do this one right here. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's take a look at PL. PL is my unknown. And it's the hypotenuse of this right triangle with a 13 and a 24 legs. So 13 squared plus 24 squared equals the hypotenuse I'm trying to find. Squared, 13 squared, and then add it to 24 squared. If I do that, I get 745. Take the square root of both sides, and we get x. We have to round it. it comes to the nearest tenth, it comes to 27.3. And there's problems 11 through 18 on page 17.